In this video, I'm gonna be showing you my first ever PG and I'm gonna be decorating everything one by one. So I got a lot of things for that. So let's do a shopping haul and at the end I'll show you how I decorated my room. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I bought some new pieces for my bed. So I went back to the home for weekend. So I'm doing another haul because I think जब मैं इधर रहने आई तब I like got to know कि मुझे क्या क्या चाहिए. So I was like कि I'll go back and I'll get some more stuff for my bed area. So let me show you everything one by one. Let me clear it out. I know थोड़ा messy लग रहा रहेगा but I can't do anything. I'm living with two other girls and सबको अपनी अपनी space चाहिए रहती है. Some people like to have things around them. Some people don't like. So I can't tell them to clean everything for my shooting. So just bear with me. Okay, and some ये भी हमेशा मेरा clean नहीं होता इतना room, इतना bed, but I kind of keep it as simple as I can. Starting off with the first thing and my most favorite is a cute mini. So मैंने ये नहीं buy किया है. This is gifted by a friend and I love it because you know how pretty she is. She has this bride ka thing, I don't know what to call it, but she's cute. Can you see, guys? So yeah, I got this one. Now moving on towards jasmine fragrance mein. Then I got this gulab mist. I don't know, but honestly ना मुझे mist बहुत पसंद है. Like I can like do this. It's so refreshing. I love having mist around myself and it's kind of refreshing. So if you have any mist recommendation, please let me know because I'm a huge fan of using mist on my face because it's so easy. Then abhi winters are there, so I got this Vaseline and this is in cocoa butter. Okay, I love cocoa. Anything I can smell around cocoa-ish, something. Yeah, I love this. Then I got my favorite. This is a धूप. I know बहुत सारे धूप आते हैं, but this one is a very old धूप. जब मैं बच्ची थी तब मेरी मम्मी ये यूज करती थी and this smells so good. थोड़ा थोड़ा आँख में तकलीफ होता है, but you can use थोड़ा थोड़ा amount में. But I got this one because I'm a huge I love having 7 बजे सुबह I put it अगरबत्ती और this धूप. Moving on towards I got my थाली because इतने एक हफ्ते से मैं टिफिन में ही खा रही हूँ. मैंने टिफिन लगाया है, so मुझे ऐसा प्लेट कुछ चाहिए था और घर पे भी था, ठीक है, बट वो गोल था and I want square वाला thing. So I got this थाली. It is in brownish color with white strips because मुझे ऐसा मेरे बेड के नीचे में डालूंगी क्योंकि मुझे सब पैर लेके नहीं बैठना है मेरे बेड के ऊपर. Okay, then we got some pillow covers. I got this pillow, it's a pack of 2. Then I have this pink floral kind of bed sheet. One more thing, इधर धूप बहुत होती है. So a whitish scarf. Can you see this? Then I got some Lottie Choco Pies. बस इतना ही आया. हाँ, oh what, जो main बताना था वही तो भूल ही गई. I bought myself a bag because मैंने try किया tote bag लेके जाने का college में, but मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था. But then I got this very cute Koreanish bag. Sorry, Koreanish कुछ word नहीं होता, मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है. I got this Korean type of bag and it's super pretty. It has this front pocket. This is my thing. Then I also got this dabba. It's a steel का डब्बा, very strong. This is 4 layer वाला डब्बा because मैंने टिफिन चालू किया है and वो आंटी मुझे 2 भाजी, 1 चपाती, 1 भात, 1 वरण देती है. So and of course I got my sunglasses. भूल गई थी मैं. Yeah. So this is the 2 pillows